roof in Lansfield, and we have a swarm in there. Thankfully it hasn't attached to the wall yet. Not swarm, a hive. It hasn't touched the wall yet, so I'm going to be able to just lift off this capping thing and drop it into the nuke and then sort it out in quarantine. Should be relatively quick. Okay, the cement sheeting breaking off the silicon. I'm now just waiting for the bees to settle down. So, and onto the top plate, the ones that are on the wall to go onto the wall, onto the top plate, so that I can then get them all into the box. So 5-10 minutes and they should settle down, fingers crossed. Okie dokies. So it's well after dark now, and there is maybe 1, 2, 3, 4 bees that unfortunately missed the boat. 4 bees out of a hive isn't bad at all.